How to fix Snapchat camera rotation problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your Snapchat camera isn't rotating properly or it's stuck in one orientation, I have got some quick solution to help you fix it. So let's get started. First, make sure your device auto rotation is turned on. Open settings on your phone, look for display or screen rotation settings and make sure auto rotate or rotation lock is enabled for your screen to rotate. If auto rotation is off, Snapchat may not switch between portrait and landscape modes. Next, restart the Snapchat app. If your settings are correct but the problem persists, try restarting the app. Close Snapchat completely and remove it from recent apps. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and see if the camera rotates properly. A quick restart can fix minor glitches. Next, update the app. An outdated app can cause rotation issues, so check for updates. You can go to App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat and check if there is an update available. If there is, install it as updates often fix bugs and improve app performance. Next, clear Snapchat cache. For Android users, clearing the cache can help resolve camera issues. Go to Settings, tap on Application, then go to Snapchat and tap Storage and then Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the rotation problem. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helps fix the rotation issue with your Snapchat camera. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick app fixes. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.